Chapter 8. The Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau is located to the south of the Northern Plains. It is also called the Deccan Plateau. A plateau is a highland which is almost flat at the top. It may have one or more sides with slopes. The height of the plateau often varies from place to place, location and extent. The Southern Plateau of India is triangular in shape and covers a large part of India. The land here is rocky and uneven. The Southern Plateau extends from the Aravalli Hills of Rajasthan to the Rajmahal Hills in Bihar and to the Cardamom Hills in Kerala. The Southern Plateau is surrounded by a chain of hills on the western and eastern sides. These hills are called the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. These meet at the Nilgiri Hills. Southern Plateau. The general slope of the land in the plateau is west to east. That is why most of the rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri flow from the west towards the east into the Bay of Bengal. Two rivers, Narmada and Tapti, are exceptions, as these rivers flow in the opposite direction and fall into the Arabian Sea. The Narmada Valley divides the Southern Plateau into two parts. To the north is the Central Highlands and to the south is the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands. The Central Highlands consists of the Malwa Plateau in the northwest and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the northeast. The Malwa Plateau is situated between the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. It has black soil which is very good for growing cotton and oilseeds. Wheat and jowar are also grown here. Panna in Madhya Pradesh has diamond mines. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in minerals like coal, iron, mica and manganese. The northeastern part of the region has the largest coal deposits in our country. Important coal mines are present in Girdi, Jharia and Bokaro, Jharkhand and Raniganj, West Bengal. Many parts of the Chota Nagpur Plateau are covered with forests. They provide us various types of wood and other forest products. The Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is located to the south of Satpura Mountains between the eastern and western Ghats. It slopes to the east. Land surface of this region is highly uneven and the soil is also not very fertile. Large deposits of iron and mica are found in this region. There are a number of rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapti flow in this area and fall in the Bay of Bengal. The rivers in this region flow faster than the rivers of the northern plains. They form a number of waterfalls as the land is uneven here. The beautiful Jog Falls on the river Sharavati in Karnataka is the highest waterfall. In India, big dams have been constructed on many of these rivers to store rainwater. The Hirakund Dam, the world's highest dam, is built across the river Mahanadi in Odisha. Jog Falls. Fact Box. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the river Krishna in Andhra Pradesh is another big dam. These dams store water for irrigation and also provide electricity. Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Nagpur and Bhopal are some of the major cities of this region. Ooty or Otamud and Kodaikanal hill stations are famous all over the world. Hirakund Dam. Fact Box. The Kolar gold mines in Karnataka supply almost the entire gold produced in India. Let's remember. The Southern Plateau is a triangular in shape and the land is rocky and uneven. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in mineral. The Southern Plateau is divided into two parts, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Hirakund Dam, the world's highest dam, is built across the river Mahanadi in Odisha. Jog Falls on the river Sharavati in Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India. Words treasure. Plateau, flat land on a raised surface. Ghats, mountain chains near the sea. Waterfall, stream or river that falls from a height. Dam, barrier built across a river.